Hi all, welcome to the session. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss about the topic total quality management. These are the contents, what is meant by total quality management and what are the elements of TQM. Let's see what is meant by total quality management or TQM. TQM originated in the manufacturing sector, but it can be applied to all organizations. Mainly, TQM means maintaining quality in all processes, in employees, in machineries, in equipments, and all. That is the basic approach or basic thing of TQM. This total quality management is a management approach that focuses on delivering products and services with the highest quality to maximize customer satisfaction and meet regulatory standard. So its the main goal of TQM is to maximize the customer satisfaction and meet the regulatory standard. So, total quality management is an organization wide effort for continuous improvement and all. So, maintaining TQM in a company makes the company in a more profit way. So, this is meant by total quality management or TQM. So, now let's see what are the elements of TQM. There are mainly 8 elements in TQM. This ethics, integrity, trust, training, teamwork, leadership, recognition, and communication. These are the basic elements in TQM. So, these elements are categorized into 4. First one is foundation. First category is foundation, and the second category is building bricks, and the third category is binding mortar, and the fourth category is roof. These elements are combined in a or these elements are categorized in a house model. So this integrity, ethics, and also trust. This comes as the foundation of a house, and the leadership teamwork training acts as a brick of a house, and this communication acts as a binding mortar, and the recognition acts as a roof. So these are the elements categorized in the 4 ways. Now let's look each category of TQM. The first category, foundation. As I said earlier, in foundation there is 3 elements, that is ethics, integrity, and trust. So it fosters openness, fairness, and sincerity, and also allows involvement by everyone. So, what is meant by ethics? Ethics is a discipline concerned with good and bad in any situation. Whether we are going to do any thing, we will think whether it is bad or good. That approach is ethics. And the second one is integrity. It means the morals, values that we are creating. So our customer is expecting some values from us. That is integrity. It applies honesty, morals, values, fairness, etc. And the third one is trust. Trust is a byproduct of integrity and ethical conduct. That means that customers should have a trust in us. So and also the trust in our products and services also. So we need to maintain trust in our services. So that is the trust. So these 3 elements, ethics, integrity, trust, these 3 elements act as a foundation of the foundation category, comes under the foundation category. Next, the second one is the building bricks. As I said earlier, 3-1, training, teamwork, leadership. These 3 elements act as a building bricks. In the building bricks, there is three elements: training, teamwork, and also leadership. The first one, training. Training means giving training to our employees and make sure that they are working in a proper way or not. And the second one is teamwork. There should be a teamwork between our employees in our department and etc. So you should be maintaining teamwork in our business. It to become successful in business, and teamwork is also a key element of TQ. There are mainly 3 types of teamworks or 3 types of teams in the TQM organizations adopt. The first one is the quality improvement team or excellence team. This means that the top management team, they will decide the strategies and all. So first team is quality improvement team, and the second team is the problem solving team. When there is any problem occur, this team will decide how to overcome that problems and all. So that team is called solving team. And the third one is natural work team. That is our employees working team. So these are the three teams. And the third building brick is the leadership. So leadership is an important building brick in a TQM perspective. So leadership in TQM requires the manager to provide an inspiring vision, make strategic directions that are understood by all, and to instill values that guide subordinates. So, through the leadership, the manager will guide their employees or subordinates in a proper manner. So, if there is proper leadership, then the work will also done in a proper manner. So, these are the three elements in the building bricks. Next one is the binding motor. As I said earlier, in the model of this house, this communication is acts as a binding motor, because if there should be a proper way of leadership, there should be a good communication is required. If the teamwork also, let's look at the teamwork also, there should we need proper communication. In training also we should need proper communication. So communication acts as a binding motor in this elements. Binding motor here, the first element is the communication. It means that it binds everything together, starting from foundation to roof and of the TQM house. Everything is bound by strong motor of communication. There are three types of communication. The first one is downward communication, second one is upward communication, and the third one is the sideways communication. Downward communication means from top management to employees, and the upward communication means from employees to the management, and the sideways communication means between different departments. So these are the three types of communication. Next is the last element, that is roof. Here in the roof there is only one element, that is recognition. Recognition is the last and final element in the entire system. So through the recognition, we can recognize our employees. We are giving some value to our employees. So recognition is an important element in TQM. So we can provide recognition through three ways, that is the ways, places, and times. Through ways, we can give it can be by way of personal letter from top management, and also by awards, bouquets, and also trophies, etc. So by giving any memento to our employees, we can give a recognition to our employees. And the second one is through places. If we are providing the awards or any bouquets in front of our department or in front of the top management, so the place is also important while we are giving any recognition to our employees. And the third one is time. If we are providing the awards or bouquets in front of a staff meeting, or any function or any functions is going on in between that, so the time is also important while giving any recognition activities, or while conducting a recognition activities in our company. So these are the three ways we can provide the recognition to our employees. So that's all about the topic TQM. Thank you.